Well, this is Mikey. We started over there, and he's just walking. Where are you going, Mikey? He can't see or hear. Where are you going, buddy? He has no idea. There's the wifey in her cute little pajamas.
Get me in the video or I won't let you post it.
Where's Mikey going? He doesn't know. He circles the dump station for. Oh, there he goes. See if he can make it up the step. Come on, boy. What do you say, buddy? You gonna make it? Smell? Oh, there's your brother. Where are we going? Going over here? Which way do you want to go? This is his exercise. He goes by smell and he can kind of see shadows. And maybe super bright colors, I'm not sure. But he can't make out if you're a human being or a mannequin. You gonna make it up there? What do you think? Think he's gonna make it? Where's he gonna go?
He doesn't know.
Look at the cute little feet. Look at those cute little toes. Look at that, Mikey. All right, Mikey, we've been walking around in a circle, standing in the middle of the road. Yeah, which, by the way, we're in the middle of the road. Yeah, that's us over there. He just walks around this trash can. See where he's going to go now. And folks, this is where we started. The video, anyway. I think we're going for lap number 2. It's like he sees something. But we know he doesn't. He just gets excited and he's like, oh, look, there's something that actually piques my interest. I'm 119 years old. Okay, apparently he almost face planted. He's 119 years old. I mean, the guy's seen everything. There's not much that can interest him anymore. He's just so friggin' cute. Look at how friggin' cute he is.
He's talking for days.
Yeah. Here, hang on. Let me see if I can get a reverse view. Yeah, he needs an alignment. Oh, whoa, that's really sideways. Hey, buddy, your camber is way off. What? Where are we going? Come on, old man. What do you say? What? You gonna follow me? Oh, here. I will turn. You gonna follow me? You can fly. Mikey. Yeah? Oh. Let's see. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Oh, well, there he goes. He's like, I can't see you anymore. I've lost you. Father, where are you? Come back, Father. I'm lost in this desert land. As far as the eye can see, which is only about 18 inches, there is nothing. Father, where are you? I'm waiting for him to notice me. Because then he pops his eyes up and he's like, geez, where have you been, Dad? Hi, Mike. Oh, there you are. How you doing, buddy? Come on. Oh, well, this is his favorite sniff spot. This is where we go and zip it fast.
Yeah, well, the whole thing should be on double speed.
Yeah. The way he limps is just crazy looking. It doesn't look like he should be upright. Oh, oh, oh. Well, now where are you going? Oh, okay, is it time to go home?
You're around in the corner.
Yeah,
That's
you're getting close, dude. We're almost home. Look, we're almost here. Oh, oh, I think he's gonna do it. What do you say, Mikey? What do you say, buddy? He's like, no, no food. Come on. You can do it, Mikey. Yay, Mikey. Ouch, don't hit the mirror. Him running like that. I love that. I stop, you stop. Okay, well, let's go. He doesn't talk, he doesn't bark, he can't see and he can't hear, but somehow he still communicates. It's amazing how that works. All right, well, we made it home. This is where we started, by the way. Okay, Mikey, are you done? You ready to go in? Are you ready to go in, buddy? You ready to go in, buddy? Yeah?
There's your brother. There's your brother.
Yay, Mikey! Oof! Don't eat my phone. Bye. Bye, Doopy. Okay.